In 2026, pistol caliber carbines are no longer just the cheap backup option. They're no longer the budget compromise. Today's PCCs have evolved into some of the most practical, versatile, and high-performing firearms you can buy in the modern market. From home defense to range training to competition and even serious tactical applications, budget-friendly PCCs in 2026 are delivering reliability, accuracy, and real-world features that used to be reserved for far more expensive platforms. But here's the problem. With so many PCC options flooding the market, not all budget carbines are created equal. So the real question becomes, which budget pistol caliber carbines actually stand out? And which ones truly dominate the market this year? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget pistol caliber carbines that dominate 2026. These picks were carefully selected based on real-world performance, overall value, long-term reliability, and reputation among serious shooters who actually run their guns. Before we dive in, if you appreciate honest firearm reviews, detailed breakdowns, and no BS gear rankings, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment below with your favorite PCC, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our latest high-quality content. All right, let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Kel-Tec Sub-2000 Gen 3. This is easily one of the most unique and budget-friendly pistol caliber carbines available in 2026. What truly sets the Sub-2000 apart is its ultra-compact folding design. This carbine literally folds in half, making it incredibly easy to store inside backpacks, vehicle compartments, or discreet carry cases. For shooters who prioritize portability, convenience, and minimal footprint without giving up functionality, the Sub-2000 checks a lot of boxes. Now let's talk construction. Yes, it uses a lightweight, polymer-heavy build. But despite that, the Sub-2000 Gen 3 delivers respectable durability and dependable performance, especially when you consider its price point. Chambered in popular pistol calibers like 9mm and 40 Smith Wesson, this PCC is designed to accept common handgun magazines, including Glock magazines. And that right there adds a massive layer of practicality and cost efficiency. For many shooters, magazine compatibility alone makes this carbine an attractive option. You're not locked into proprietary mags. You're not rebuying your entire ecosystem. On the range, the Sub-2000 offers manageable recoil, solid accuracy for its size, and fast target transitions. That makes it well-suited for recreational shooting, training drills, and even entry-level competition use. The Gen 3 update is a big deal here. Kel-Tec improved ergonomics, handling, and overall shootability, addressing many of the criticisms aimed at earlier generations. Is it as refined or premium feeling as higher-priced PCCs? No, but that's not the point. The Sub-2000 dominates the budget category by offering unmatched portability, solid reliability, and excellent value per dollar. It's an outstanding option for first-time PCC buyers, truck gun setups, and shooters who want an ultra-compact defensive carbine that won't break the bank. Bottom line, the Kel-Tec Sub-2000 Gen 3 earns its place on this list by proving that budget PCCs can still deliver innovation, real-world practicality, and reliable performance in 2026. At number 4, we've got the PSA AR-V. This is a budget-friendly pistol caliber carbine that brings the familiar AR-15 platform into the world of 9mm PCCs. Built by Palmetto State Armory, a brand known for delivering strong value at competitive prices, the AR-V is designed for shooters who want a modern, affordable, and upgradable PCC without leaving behind the ergonomics they already know. One of the biggest strengths of the AR-V is its AR-15 manual of arms. The controls feel instantly familiar. The safety selector, the charging handle, the overall handling. If you already run an AR-15, there's virtually no learning curve here. That makes the AR-V an excellent choice for training, range practice, and home defense, especially for shooters who value consistency across platforms. When it comes to shooting performance, the PSA AR-V delivers a smooth, manageable recoil impulse. Thanks to its 9mm chambering and balanced design, recoil stays mild, follow-up shots are fast, and target transitions feel natural and controlled. This makes it enjoyable for new shooters and experienced users alike, especially during extended range sessions or fast-paced drills. Accuracy is solid at typical PCC distances. While it's not built to compete with top-tier competition PCCs, it easily meets the needs of recreational shooters, defensive users, and entry-level competitors. The performance-to-price ratio is one of the ARV's strongest selling points. You're getting more capability than most shooters expect at this price level. Another major advantage is customization. Because it follows AR-style architecture, you've got access to a massive aftermarket. Optics, stocks, grips, triggers, handguards, muzzle devices. You can start with a budget build and gradually evolve it into a refined tactical or competition-ready PCC. That makes the ARV a strong long-term project platform. Ultimately, the PSA ARV earns its spot on this list by delivering affordability, AR familiarity, modular flexibility, and dependable real-world performance. It may not feel as overbuilt as higher-end PCCs, but it dominates the budget category by offering exceptional value and a familiar shooting experience that just works. At number 3, we've got the CZ Scorpion 3 Plus Carbine. This is one of the most proven and battle-tested pistol-caliber carbines in the budget to mid-range category. The Scorpion platform has earned a rock-solid reputation for reliability, durability, and performance. And the 3 Plus generation refines that formula with better ergonomics, lighter weight, and improved overall handling. In 2026, it remains one of the most trusted PCCs for shooters who want a serious, no-nonsense carbine without paying premium tier prices. Shootability is where the Scorpion really shines. The recoil impulse is smooth and controllable, allowing for fast follow-up shots and excellent target transitions. That's especially valuable for range use, training, and competitive PCC divisions. Accuracy is another standout. Many shooters report tight groupings at close to medium distances, making it a dependable option for both practical shooting and defensive roles. The carbine length barrel adds velocity and control, giving it an edge over more compact PCC builds when it comes to stability and precision. The modernized design of the 3 Plus model addresses earlier complaints about the original Scorpion. Improved controls, a better trigger feel, more refined balance. Combined with its aggressive styling, the Scorpion 3 Plus feels like a purpose-built modern PCC, not a budget compromise. Aftermarket support is massive. Triggers, stocks, optics mounts, internal upgrades. This is a platform you can truly grow with. While it may not always be the cheapest PCC available, the CZ Scorpion 3 Plus dominates 2026 by offering reliability, performance, modularity, and brand credibility at a very attainable price. At number 2, we've got the Ruger PC Carbine. This is a pistol-caliber carbine that has earned a reputation for being one of the most dependable, accurate, and well-engineered budget PCCs on the market. While some PCCs chase trends or flashy aesthetics, the Ruger PC Carbine dominates by focusing on what actually matters: real-world reliability, refined performance, and long-term durability. One of its defining features is the dead-blow tungsten recoil system. This significantly reduces felt recoil and muzzle movement. The result is a shooting experience that feels incredibly soft, smooth, and controlled, especially compared to other PCCs in this price range. Whether you're running drills, working transitions, or spending long days at the range, the Ruger PC Carbine stays stable and easy to manage. Accuracy is consistently impressive. The carbine length barrel provides better velocity and tighter groupings at typical PCC distances. That makes it suitable for range work, competition, and defensive use. Another major strength is magazine compatibility. The Ruger supports both Ruger SR series magazines and Glock magazines. That flexibility saves money and simplifies logistics. The quick takedown system allows the rifle to separate into 2 compact halves, making it easier to transport or store. Ergonomics are excellent. Interchangeable stock spacers, adjustable cheek risers. You can tailor the rifle to your body type and shooting style, a feature often reserved for higher-end platforms. And beyond features, Ruger's reputation for rugged manufacturing speaks for itself. This is a carbine built to handle real use over the long haul. That's why the Ruger PC Carbine earns the #2 spot. It's a PCC you buy once and rely on for years. Taking the top spot, we have the Smith & Wesson M&P FPC. This carbine defines what it means to dominate the budget PCC market in 2026. This isn't just a good value, it's one of the most innovative and forward-thinking PCCs available today. What immediately sets the FPC apart is its folding design that allows the carbine to fold in half without removing the optic. That's huge. It creates a compact, portable platform that's easy to store and transport while remaining fast to deploy. And unlike many folding firearms, the FPC doesn't compromise ergonomics. You still get a solid cheek weld, comfortable shooting posture, and excellent handling. Another standout feature is the built-in magazine storage in the stock. Extra mags on the gun itself. That's practical, efficient, and rarely seen at this price point. Chambered in 9mm and compatible with M&P pistol magazines, the FPC offers seamless integration for Smith & Wesson owners. On the range, recoil is soft, cycling is smooth, and accuracy is impressive. The trigger is clean for a factory PCC. Controls are well placed. The overall experience feels refined. Combined with Smith & Wesson's reputation for large-scale manufacturing quality, the M&P FPC stands out as a platform built for longevity. That's why it earns the #1 spot. It delivers innovation, portability, performance, and value better than anything else in the budget PCC space this year. As you can see, budget pistol caliber carbines in 2026 are more capable than ever. You don't need premium money to get reliability, accuracy, modularity, and real-world performance. From ultra-portable designs to rugged, duty-ready platforms, these 5 PCCs prove that smart engineering and strong value can absolutely dominate the market. Now we want to hear from you. Which PCC would you choose and why? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the range.